Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we learned today that if you're on version 1809, that is the October 2018 update. Well, Microsoft is starting to push you forward to the November 2019 update. This is what we officially learned. Microsoft issued a statement yesterday, Friday, and December 6th, 2019, saying that it's time to move on. So if you were on the May 2019 update, a lot of you were pushed to the May 2018 update, or the April 2018 update. It gets difficult to follow all of this. So if you were on the April 2018 update, you were pushed to the May 2019 update. Big bunch of you have been actually moved on. And we had learned, the last numbers we had was that roughly half of you were now on the May 2019 update. Well, those that are left behind, I guess, will be pushed to the November 2019 update now. But we now learned that, of course, if you were on the October 2018 update, your time left for that 18 months of the version was early next year. We would have thought that maybe they would have waited for the 20H1 build, the 20H1 version next year, but they're pushing you already because probably it's going to be a little too late. So, if you see this pushed to you and have no choice but to accept that it's updating, it's because Microsoft has now decided to push you ahead to the November 2019 update. What can you do? Well, you can put yourself in a metered connection. I've already shown that little trick that prevents you from getting big updates. You could, of course, for now, defer the updates up to 35 days. That means that would leave you another 35 days before something happens. But unfortunately, you are. If you were happy with that version and all, you're pushed ahead to November 2019. The good side of things is I think the November 2019 update is the best version to be on. So, for the majority of people, it's going well, rolling out well. So I think this is, at the same time, probably not that bad of an idea, as you'll be on the latest version. And from here, you'll have more than a year before you are pushed once again to something else. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.